These cookies are perfect as a snack and great for your friends and family. Whether you're a beginner at baking or not, let's get started. Ingredients you need are 8 tablespoons or 1 stick of butter. They're the same thing. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and last but not least, 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. The tools you need are a medium bowl, 1 teaspoon, 1/4 cup, half cup, and any pan. So you're going to need to preheat the oven for 325 degrees, and the prep time is 10 minutes. Now you're going to need to heat up your butter in the microwave for about 1 minute and 10 seconds in order for the mixing process to be easier. Now we're going to add the 2 sugars together. So we're going to need a half cup of white sugar, half cup. Then you'll need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So my butter isn't melted all the way, but it's good enough so it's soft to mix it in with the sugars. And today I'm using a spoon, but you can use an electric mixer, hand mixer, or a stand mixer. Which I do have both of them, but I prefer to use a spoon. So I'm just gonna mix it the sugars a little bit. And then now we're going to add in the butter. And you just want to stir it till all the butter and sugar is incorporated together. Okay, so to the butters and the sugars, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're just going to stir that together until incorporated. You don't want to mix it too much, or the cookies in the end will turn hard because of the egg that's stirred in too much. And before mixing everything and getting all the ingredients prepared, I suggest to just take your egg out so it's room temperature. Easier to mix, that's why. Now to everything, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Usually I add a little more salt because there's a lot of sugar inside. Okay. And then you're just going to mix those two together. Sometimes in the end result of your cookie, there can be some leftover clumps of baking soda. You don't want that, but you don't want to stir it too much because of the egg. Now to everything, we're going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I like to level it out inside like that. This is a half cup. And you just want to stir everything together. chocolate chips, and I'm using semi-sweet. Yeah, I don't have enough. So this is 3/4 cup, but I don't usually measure. But I think that was a little bit too much. So now I'm just gonna mix it in. Okay, this is gonna be extra chocolatey. Okay, now I'm going to put them into balls. I don't really put them into balls actually. Normally I don't. This recipe makes about 12 cookies, and now we're going to put it in the oven. You want to bake them to around 9 to 11 minutes. So I do 10 minutes, but you want to do it until at least barely golden. So now I get saran wrap, put it out, and I get the extra dough. Or if you don't have saran wrap, you can use an airtight container and put it in the fridge. Now, to make it easier every time I bake the cookies, I usually just make it into a cylinder-like. So every time you take the cookies out, you just slice them. And I do that. And now we put it in the